Hey guys, my name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. So before we get started, today's video is brought to you by GPB South Africa. If you don't know who they are, they're an all-in-one stop for all things photo, video and batteries. You could use my discount code to get 5% of your next purchase. So GPB have sent me a reflector holder to take a look at, and that is the Selens Telescopic Reflector Holder. So let's take a look and see what we have here.
The Selens Reflector Holder is designed for holding reflectors and diffusion panels. It is made from aluminium alloy and hard plastic, and the weight capacity is 2 kilograms. Here is the clamp for gripping the reflector, and at the top we also have a 1/4-inch spigot for mounting additional accessories. To extend the arm you have quick flip mechanisms, and you also have adjustable clamps. This reflector holder has a maximum length of 135 centimeters, so it can accommodate small, medium and large reflectors. In the center we have our stand mount that offers a 360-degree swivel rotation. We get a mount adapter included, so this holder fits onto almost any type of stand that you may own. The benefit of having a reflector holder is that you don't have to struggle. It also allows you to place the reflector or diffuser in the correct position.
And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.